Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a link in Notion and it's pretty easy. So simply go to your Notion and in your private section, select the page where you want to add a link and type here something which is related according to your link. And here you can see this here option and here you can see an option which is add link. Simply tap on here. And in here, you can copy a link and paste the link in here or search the name. And that's it. You have add the link on here. If you just simply select this here option, you can see they're showing you a link. So that's the pretty easy way how you can add a link in your Notion. Hope this video find you helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections and keep in touch with us for more tips and tricks.